What's good, YouTube? I just want to bring you in real quick and give you a little update on the community, what's going on. And yeah, before I show you the video, just jump in real quick. I just want to jump in real quick and kind of give you an update on the community and the new course that's going on. So the course that's in the community, the Discord right now, you can literally gain free access to the Discord. Click the link down below and you'll get access to the free course. That course I'm going to put on YouTube in full, and then you'll be able to, if you'll have the ability to go and watch that course, a whole free course. What I'm doing right now is I'm in the process of literally doing a full deep dive, in-depth version of that course, but a video, PDF, descriptions, screenshots, everything, the whole all 9 yards, describing everything that I'm viewing as I'm taking the trade. It'll give you a better ability to understand how I see the market, how I've been able to take control of my emotions and gain control of my discipline and my risk management and be able to actually make profits in trading, whether it's OTC or traditional markets. It does not matter. I can make profits in both. But this will just give you that better understanding. You can purchase the course if you like. I haven't came up with a price yet. It'll probably be like $250, $300. You can purchase the course if you like, but anybody that's in the community, the paid version of the community, will actually have free access to the course, and anybody that's in the community, in the paid community, will actually get access to the 30-day live that we will be doing literally a week after the course is dropped. So a week after the course drops, we're going to be doing a 30-day live. We'll be live every single day in Discord, doing live streams, going over the lessons together, taking notes together. I'll be answering any questions that you have, helping you get the best understanding. I'm dedicating 2 to 3 hours to this just to make sure that we can get everything done each day. So that's the goal and that's the mission. My goal with this is to make as many people profitable, or to make as many people have the best understanding of reading price and understanding the market so they can make profits. Obviously, you're going to have to put the time in and a little work. If I'm putting in some work, you got to put some work in. It doesn't just go me put the work in and you don't have to put no work in. That's not how it works. You got to put a little bit of work in. But I'm here with you. I'm going to help you. It's pretty much just a one-on-one basically, but in a big group. So that's the goal. So join the community. Jump in there. I promise you, we live twice a week trading. I actually was live every single day this past week. All the trading sessions that I've taken are all recorded, and that's sessions that are outside of the live sessions. I've been recording every single trade for this compounding challenge that I have. I have a whole plan in order to go full time, and I'm going to help community members go full-time trading, and we're going to come up with them plans, and we're going to help build them plans, and I'm going to help you as you see me go through my journey of becoming a full-time trader. That's the goal. Another thing, you can actually gain access to my private pocket options chat. Literally, you don't have to be in Discord. If I'm on trading or you got any questions while you're trading, you can literally send me a message in the chat and I'll be able to get back to you or send you a private message. And the only way that you can access this chat is you have to be connected to my affiliate link. Yeah, I said it, my affiliate link. But it gives you, people don't want to pay for the community or they don't want to buy the course. They just want to ask some questions. That'll give you access to me to literally ask questions. Very simple, very easy. There's a link down below. Join the chat. If you do join and you do somehow get in and you're not part of the referral, you will be blocked. So there's no point in doing that. Just join the referral link. It's not that hard. Just create a new account and you'll get access, and I promise you I'm going to answer all the questions that I can. With that, though, that's it. Copy trading is still available if you want to copy trade, but you have to sign up. You have to go to Discord and send me your UID so I can confirm that you're underneath the affiliate, and then we'll do a one-on-one session to talk about the copy trading, like how to set up the copying and what size account you're going to use, because I don't want you to just go in there with a $100 account trying to trade the same amount that I'm trading, and my account's at right now, my account's at like 1,500 or something. So that would just be very blatantly stupid to do, and I'm not trying to do that. I don't want you to blow your money. I want you to make money as I'm making money, but you got to do it correctly. And if you're trading while I'm trading, you're just adding double the risk. That's all you're doing. Just because I'm profitable does not mean that it's going to make you money. You have to literally do it correctly. You got to do it smart. And that's the goal. So if you want to do that, join the referral link, jump in Discord, send me your UID, and I promise you we'll help you get it set up, and you can make money as you learn to trade. And when the course comes out, you're still going to consistently be making money as you learn through the course. So, yeah, with that being said, I hope that you can gain some value through this video. I hope that these 5 steps help you really start to see profits, because these are literally the only 5 steps that I do in order to take a trade. But like I said, there's going to be a course that just goes way more in depth and actually explains a lot of the knowledge that you're seeing that I'm talking about going on. And there'll be a full PDF of all the terms and the words that you'll hear me use often. It'll all be in there. So with that being said, I appreciate you. I thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. And I hope that you can gain value and enjoy the video. Peace. What's good, YouTube family? So I wanted to bring you in all real quick and just really kind of go in on the 5 steps that I utilize and I use in order to find my winning trades on pocket options. I already had a trade session today. We're going to drop this down a little bit just so we ain't out here doing too much on my account. And we're going to still trade the live account so you know it's real. But the first thing that we like to do, or the first thing that I like to do, it's 5 steps. It's literally 5 steps. All right, super simple, super easy. All right, you're going to understand price. Then we're going to find our zones, okay? And then after we find our zones, we're going to understand the tendency that the market can make. And then after we understand the tendency, we build the case and we wait. Once we wait and the case plays out and price gives us what we want to see, we take that entry and we execute. Whether we win or lose, we stick to the process. It's simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and find me a chart. I really like this chart. I already kind of have it zoned out. Let me go ahead and move my zones. All right. So let's understand price first. All right. Understanding price. When I say understanding price, we're going to understand the recent history of price. And it looks like lately we've been in a downtrend. Okay. And we had this high here, but price came back but never broke that high. And we are at a zone right now breaking off that zone. We got our zones here already situated for us. We got our major zones, the pink ones, and then we got our midline, which is just the zone in the middle that price normally likes to go to. So now we could go down to the 1 minute and see what's going on. Okay, this is what I want to see. I love how price is pushing hard right now. What I want to see on the lower time frame, I want to pull up the lower time frame. I want to get a pullback, and I want to get in on that pullback after we get the pullback and we get the break of the low on the pullback. So now I've built my case. I've got my idea. I understand the tendency of the market. I understand price, what price is telling me. Prices came to this zone. We pushed back below this zone. We've retested this zone. Now what we're doing, we're waiting for price to retest all this structure. We know that we made a lower low. So now we want price to break again and give us that push below, breaking this level line that it just made, which would be right here. Now price is continuing to push up. So all we're doing is we're just building the case as price is making the case. And we are just going to react off of what price is giving us. We could technically move that zone up there. But what I want to see is I want to see price give me a break below. I want to see it break these lows. I want price to break this level line. There's a level line right here. This is how I'm going to enter my trade. I'm waiting for the level line to break, and then I'm wanting price to give me a nice momentum push, telling me that we're going to break them lows and we're going to create new lows continuing down here to this zone down here. Now, if price continues to push up, which it can, I'm very well aware that it can, we will change and adapt our idea and go from there. But for my trade to stay valid, we don't want price to go up any higher than this high. Price can come up there and it can even make even highs. That's perfectly fine. But we want price to stay where it's at, kind of give us a break below this level line right here, which our level line is this green line right here. And this is the most last recent push. So on a level line going down, we're looking for the yellow candle because that's our bullish candle. We want the last most recent push of the bullish candle for a sell. When a buy comes, when it comes to here, we want the last most recent push on a buy would be the red candles. Now, price is going up to that top zone. So what do? We just pull back out, see what's going on. Okay. So we could pull this up, see what's okay. We know that technically we could say that we are out of these zones. This area, this zone down here no longer is valid. We could say that. Do I believe that price is going to break where it's at? It's a possibility, actually. The way that it's looking, the way that these candles are, they're just engulfing all of this. I actually might take this trade on the trade up. I want to see price give me a nice pullback, retest this EMA, and then we'll push up. We'll take that head and shoulders up to the top. So like I said, this is high frequency, so I'm able to really kind of change my bias and really adjust how I think about the market as it moves. And I utilize what market is giving me, and I trade what the market is telling me. I don't trade what I want the market to do. I trade on what the market is telling me it wants to do. So all we are doing is we are inside this 5-minute candle. We are inside this 5-minute candle, and we are going to probably take this 5-minute candle up. I think we're getting a move right now, so we need to be quick and swift. Yep, so once we get this nice break of all this structure and this candle right here, I want the body to be above all this, and then I will take that for a buy, for a 1-minute buy. So we're getting we want to wait for the close. And then once we get a nice close, then we'll take it. Now that pullback was iffy. That pullback was iffy. I don't like how it's pretty much even with these past structures. I need more momentum. You see how it's not going? There it goes. There it goes. I will take it on once this candle closes. I'm taking that once that candle closed. That was a good close on this candle. I wanted to wait to see if price was going to give me too much of a pullback at first. The pullback was pretty weak. So I have a good feeling that price is going to continue up to this purple zone, which would be our target zone, which would be considered our golden zone. And if you know me, I like to trade price action, so I trade zone to zone. Why? Because price is king. Price action is king. So what happens here? Oh, we're losing the trade. No big deal. We don't worry about a win or a loss. We are trading the process. Why? Because we know that the process is what wins. Consistently sticking to the process, regardless if you win or lose, is how you win at trading. So we just let it play out. We win, we lose, we lose. It is what it is. And with that, we won. So those are the 5 steps that I utilize when I am taking my entries with the Golden Zone strategy. Now, if you want more of a course, I'm getting ready to release the free course that's in Discord. You can join Discord. It's a free course in Discord for the free members and everything. And then I am releasing a full in-depth from understanding how to read price, the history of price, to understanding tendencies of price, to a whole full psychology section, everything all in depth of things that have helped me become successful and profitable with the OTC markets and Forex trading and any type of trading that I actually want to do, because I do crypto trading, I do Forex trading, and I do binary options trading. But with that course, you can purchase it if you like and don't want to join the community, but that course really is for my community. So you get in the paid portion of the community, you actually get access to the course for free. The entire time that you're in the community, you'll have access to the course for free. Some people might not want to join the community. They might just want to buy the course and do it on their own. There will be a price where you can purchase the course on your own, have it for lifetime, and you'll have like a free trial access to the Discord. But the community, the people, anybody that's in the community, a week after I drop the course, I'm going to be doing a 30-day lab. So we're going to be every single day for 30 days. For an entire month, we're going to be live every single day for an hour, going over a lesson, talking about the lesson, I'm going to be answering questions, anything that you need help with to get a better understanding of how to take the entries, how to find the trades, how to do the 5-step process. It'll all be there, and I'll be live with you, being able to answer the questions and make sure you actually get the best understanding that you want to get. So that is for the paid community. If you're not in there, join the family. If not, hey, this is the 5 steps that I take in order to find an entry. Super simple, super easy. I keep it super simple, super easy. My entries come off of a level line break with the body of the candle over the level line. So now how we had a level line break here, the body did not close. See how this red body closed? That's a good level line break in my eyes. Okay? How the level line broke with this doji candle going up. This doji candle going up. It's not a level. That's not a good level line break. I want the solid. I want the body close, right? So that's what I look for when I look for a level line. And then I take entries off of the retest of the EMA. Those are pretty good, solid entries for me, 17 EMA. And, yeah, like I said, I'm just trading zone to zone. I utilize my midline. I love patterns, certain patterns, head and shoulder patterns, the double bottom patterns, double top patterns, reversal head and shoulder patterns. Those are the patterns that I look for, the only patterns, and they're market patterns. And if people tell you that they don't work, well, go look at the market, because you're going to see them pretty often. But it's just a confluence that you can add to your trading in order to literally make you that much better. And always remember, when price pushes hard, price normally is going to come back and confirm the push that it just made. So other than that, I'll see you in the Discord. If not, I hope that your trading is good. I hope that you were able to utilize this video to get more information on, my binary strategy video. I didn't expect it to actually, do the numbers that it did, but hopefully this can help y'all really refine that and actually make some good entries and some good trades. So remember, the 5 steps are understanding price in the market, okay? Then we want to understand our zones and where our zones and our areas of concern are. And then we want to know the tendencies of what price can do, whether it can go up this way or go down this way. Does price need to give me a pullback to this area? What is the tendency that price is going to do? Then we build our case and we wait. We allow price to approve or to verify or confirm that our case is valid, and then we take the entry and execute. No hesitation, we execute. Once we get a good execution, whether we get a nice strong body close above all structure telling us that we're going for highs, or we're getting momentum on our side, however you're utilizing to execute the trade, you execute. Don't hesitate, and you stay with it. Stay patient. Understand that that's your biggest edge on the market. With that being said, I appreciate you. I thank you. Like, subscribe, and share if you grabbed some value from this video. And if I don't see it ever again, happy trading, and I hope that you make some profits. Enjoy. Peace.